everyone, it's the Vegan Foodie here. If this is your first time checking out my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell notification so that every time I drop a vlog, you get that baby. So, I haven't been in the kitchen cooking for you guys in a while, but I got a new product that was sent to me by Shroomeats. So, I'm going to cook it up and try this product out. So, stay tuned for more. First and foremost, shout out to Shroomeats. They sent me a whole package. I did the patties, the meatballs, and now we're going to try the shroom shredded. And I'm going to mix it. This is the first time I'm having this as well. This is Possibilities, plant-based, vegan, organic mac and cheese pasta ruffles. So my goal is to combine these two and to make, because I haven't had Hamburger Helper since going vegan. So I'm about to create my own veganized Hamburger Helper, and I'm going to use two new products that I've never tried before: the shroom shredder and the vegan macaroni with vegan organic macaroni and cheese. So they say, customers say it's the best vegan mac they've ever tasted. So I don't know, because diet is popping right now. So let's see if this is the best they ever taste, the best they've ever tasted, and the best that I've ever tasted. And the only thing you really need is milk and butter and water. So I'm going to combine these two. So stay tuned and let's see how the shredded and the Possibilities weighs up to my homemade vegan Hamburger Helper. So stay tuned. To try this, and I actually made it with asparagus. So let's try the shroom shredded mixed with this new mac and cheese. It's not bad. It's pretty good actually. The shroom meat, I actually tasted this before I added it, and the shroom meat was very, very good. So I might want to substitute all of my meatless crumble for shroom shredded. And this mac and cheese is not as flavorful as the diet. The diet is more like Velveeta mac and cheese, but this will do. Yeah. I'll add this to my grocery list. So anyway, y'all, as you see, I have food to eat. So I'm about to eat my homemade vegan hamburger helper and my asparagus and drink my alkaline water and enjoy the rest of my night. I have to head over to the Vegan Foodie East so that I can prep things at the restaurant, and I got a bunch of day trading to do. But anyway, I'm out of here. Make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at The Vegan Foodie. And also, if you haven't, make sure you click the link in my description so that you can cop that new merch and check out my Amazon store. I'm out. Peace.